So this is Adventure Island 2. Um, I'm moving around with the arrow keys, and then X is jump and Z is like attack. Um, so just looking at it, like the graphics are very like pixelated, very two-dimensional. Um, you can only go left or right. There's no like other perspectives, I guess, that you could potentially do. Um, it reminds me of like the Super Mario games. I'm just trying to get that. Okay. Because I just died. But in the Super Mario games, you have to avoid like the shells. I think there's like little turtles. And then you can get, so that's like what like the snakes and stuff are. And then you can get like the little mushrooms and stuff that make you grow, which is similar to the eggs in this game. So I think it's a very similar game. I'm sure this was sort of like a blueprint, not just for Super Mario, but I'm sure a lot of games. And you can go down the list here, and then there's like certain eggs. I don't know what any of that means. You have 4 lives, and then the score is up here at the top. And as far as scoring goes, I played a little bit earlier just to learn how to play. You get 4 lives. Oh. And every time you die, if you have another life, the score at the top stays the same. And that's what you get. It's kind of freezing. That's what you get when you like get the fruit and stuff. So you want to get, I guess, as high of a score as you can by the time you get to the end. But once you run out of those 4 lives, it's game over and you basically have to start over. So that's kind of what is happening now. So you can restart the game, but your points don't transfer over. And from what I am seeing, you only get 1 player, or like there's only 1 character you can play. It's just this little man. So when you press start, you just start. There's no like choosing like who you want to be, or like in some games where you can pick like your car, like Mario Kart and stuff, you can pick your car. This is just straightforward. You start the game and then you just start running. Very straightforward. I actually am enjoying it a lot. Even though I keep dying, I did make it to the 2nd level earlier. And it's okay. It's not super difficult, but I'm not that good at video games. But it's a very straightforward concept, and I'm trying to get to this one point because it shows I got to this one point earlier in the game when I was playing earlier, and it's, oh my gosh, it's like when you're playing Mario and you go into those little yellow tubes. So as thus far, we've only been in this area with like the palm trees, and you're just running to the right. So that's the farthest we've gotten so far. But there is other areas that you can go to. Oh, here it is. Okay. So my score went up when I got here, and then you choose an egg, and that's it. And then that's the end. and I made it to the second level. But very cool. Very just two-dimensional, straightforward, one character, very basic game, but very fun.